Welcome to Dave Garage. I'm starting a video at the CVS. I brought the mama down here to get her booster shot. And while I was fooling with the truck sitting here in the parking lot, look what I found. I have a massive fuel leak from the fuel filter. Let's take a look at this. Stand by. There's the fuel filter. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's leaking. It gets leaking pretty good too. See how wet it is? I'm not sure what it is, but we'll find out when we get home. I'll go stop and get a fuel filter just in case. So you can see, there's the leak. I'm back at home now. This shouldn't be a clamp. I don't know why it was cut off and a clamp put on it, but it was. It should be like this side here. The way these work, is you have this little slip-up deal here. Goes inside here and collapses the little barbs that hold it in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on there. I'm going to fit with the phone. I'm trying to do this without having it, you know, put on the stand. It's just some standard. So, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I'm going to push that up in there. And it doesn't want to come off. Not sure why. I don't think it's any bigger than that. There is a bigger one. Okay, if you want to fight this thing all day, just push the thing up in there like I've been pushing it in there, then grab a hold of it and start pulling on it. You'll never get it out of there. What you have to do, and I'm going to show you in a minute, is you push the thing up in there and just hold it there and then pull on the hose itself to get it loose. Because the little blue tool, it's not going to come past the barb, but the hose will come off. So I was actually right with the size, but the thing is, I got gas everywhere. I plugged it back in so you can see. When you push that up in there, once you get it up in there all the way, then you just pull this line here. So you can't pull on the whole thing like this because you see there's a knob there that stops you. All right, well, now I got gas all over me. Get this stupid thing. I'll get that off here in a minute. Now let's see if I can get to this thing. At least I got the gas going into a damn pan, sort of. Trick is I have to get to the stupid other one up in here. Let's see if I can't see it. Go the other way. I'll get that around here. This is the bear of this thing because it's got a clamp here. This isn't supposed to be clamped on this side. So I got to take that off with a ratchet. Alright, so what we got is a clamp there. It shouldn't be a clamp. It should be another one of them connectors. It's a 1/4 inch. I could probably just tighten it down, but I bought a new fuel filter, so let's put the new fuel filter on it. Alright, that should be loose enough to get that off. I'm going to need 2 hands. Alright, so let's see how bad this is, because I replaced this when we did everything else. So this gas should be And it is clean as a whistle coming out of this filter. Beautiful. But since I got another filter for it, I'm going to put the sucker on anyway. And there's nothing wrong with that. Now the problem is, this end here is supposed to be clipped on just like this end here. But it's not. For some reason they cut the clip off. Maybe they broke it when they changed it one time. And now it's got a hose and a clamp, and the clamp was loose. Alright, so here's what we have. It had a single clamp on. That's my fault for not doing a second one, just because it was originally that way. I'm going to get it up over the post, and I'm going to put 2 clamps on it. So let me get the clamps up on there right now. Now, one thing you got to make sure when you put a fuel filter on, see that arrow? At that, you got to make sure that goes in the direction of the flow. This side is to the tank, and this side is to the engine. That's the way the gas flows. So make sure that you have it in that direction. I got that sucker up in there. I got a double clamp. I don't know why the one went crooked, but it's tight. That shouldn't leak now. I'm going to go to the junkyard one day, and we're going to find the proper line. And we'll take it off another truck, and we'll put it on here. But for now, that'll do. Now this one here, these, they just got, let's see, you can't really see up in there, but it's got an O-ring and a simple clip. Oops, wait a minute. Got to pull the end off of there. Put that in there. And this is just going to go here. And you push it. I'm going to have to put the camera down. Just push it in. It'll click, and then it won't come out. I don't know if you heard it snap, but snap right in place. Now I got to put the stupid clamp on here. This is a pain in the butt that holds the fuel filter, but it's a big fuel filter and a lot of fuel gets a little heavy. So this has, you kind of need this, yeah. And the fuel filter snaps in there. All right, got this stupid pain in the butt clip on. You kind of have to have that on there because this thing is a little heavy once it fills the fuel. Now on this side here, you'll see there's the 2 nuts or bolts. The 2 nuts go on. These nuts are going to go right on here. I apologize for the quality of this video. This is just a quick fix that I'm having to do on Sunday. I really had not planned on working on the truck. I just got done a video and was going to take a break, but I saw the fuel leak. I had to fix it. All right, I'm going to put this down so I can tighten them up. All right, so I got 2 of them tightened up. Now this is in nice and tight here, and everything will stay right where it is. Now we check for leaks. All right, this clamp right here that holds your fuel filter in, it's a whole lot easier to get it the heck out of the way. And it's just these 2 bolts. Let's see. This one and this one here. And they're the infamous 10 millimeter. Take them suckers out so you get rid of this thing out of your way. So that way you can work. After you've done that, one of the things you want to do is, so I can get you here so you can see. You want to just cycle the key a few times. And what that'll do is it runs the fuel pump for a couple seconds and it'll fill the line. And then it should start right up. There we go. And then everything will clear out. Now let's see what we got. Alright. No more leaky. That's the front one. Like I say, it just clips in there and engine, and it's fine. Back one is double clamped, and it's not leaking. All right, took it for a test drive, no more leaks. Oddly enough, the engine light is off now. I don't know why the engine light would be off, just because I fixed the fuel leak under the truck. If it was leaky injector, maybe, but I don't know. So we'll see. It'll probably pop on again. His E-Force is enough driving nuts. So till next time, it's just a short one, just because I had to repair it, so I figured I'd film it. So till next time, see ya.